Bank of Ghana at the Monetary Policy Committee meeting made mention of some very important interventions that will make the banking sector very strong. Key amongst them was the maintenance of the policy rate at 16%. But what interests me, or why I'm speaking to you this morning, was the fact that the bank has taken steps to inform, if I say the bank, I mean the Bank of Ghana, has informed other banks, the commercial banks, that every bank has to reserve 10% of their deposits with the bank. That's the Bank of Ghana. And Bank of Ghana yesterday made this very important point. I want the media to listen to it. We call something there in the budget. There was something that was made reference to called the Enterprise Credit Scheme. That scheme is supposed to free money within the economy to help SMEs, small medium enterprises. The Bank of Ghana is asking participating banks or interested banks to use 2% of their reserve that they have with the central bank to support SMEs. So it means Bank of Ghana is making available close to 2 billion Ghana cedis to interested banks who would want to help SMEs. And I know we all talk about liquidity. People complain, oh, I don't have money here and there. This amount of money is going to help to expand the economy, grow SMEs that, in my view, create the most employment within the economy. So I wanted to let you know, to put an eye on that information that the central bank has given or released. I'll give copies of the monetary policy report and the specific provision in the report that spoke about it. I believe the central bank is becoming very proactive because they have to lend to the commercial bank a certain rate on, but if they are making their own reserves available to them. We wrote a paper a year or two ago. We were even advocating for the entire 10% to be made available to the banks so that they use it for some infrastructure development, including affordable housing. Because if the banks can on-lend to the real estate companies, the 2%, that is 2 billion, to undertake some infrastructure development, I think it was going to go a long way. But it's a good step by the central bank. I commend the governor and his two deputies for this important decision. And I expect the banks to also take advantage of it. And also, you see, who goes to equity? Okay, the Bank of Ghana has taken this decision. Participating banks who would want to use their reserve, the 2% as announced, must channel it into the SMEs. Do you understand? People, the Bank of Ghana means good. The banks must also reciprocate and ensure that the monies that Bank of Ghana will be making available to them is channeled to SMEs to grow businesses. I believe that we all could be beneficiaries. We all could tap into it and expand our businesses and grow along.
Yeah, policy rate remains at 16%.
If you check across banks, they vary, but they are very competitive. I believe that we operate in a free economy, market economy. Market forces must determine rates and what are few. And inflation is at 7.7%. Interest rates are coming down. Policy rate has been maintained at 16%. All in all, I believe that the economy is well positioned, very well positioned, to absorb any shocks that we will anticipate come the first quarter of next year. So it's a good step. The Bank of Ghana must be on the lookout and also monitor people around this time between Christmas forests and exchange movement of goods. The revenue authorities must also be up and doing to ensure that they're making a lot more revenue. The minister spoke about tax compliance and tax audits as one of the strategies. And it's a step in the right direction.
Beautiful.